Welcome to our chocolate plant. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how cocoa beans are transformed into smooth chocolate bars.
The roasted cocoa beans are carefully ground and blended to create a smooth chocolate base with balanced flavor and
Each batch is refined and tested continuously to achieve the perfect smoothness and flavor.
Every chocolate bar is carefully inspected before leaving the factory.
And that's how cocoa beans are transformed into smooth chocolate bars, cactines, from start to finish.